Understanding the phrase, friend of the family. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English expression that you might have heard before, friend of the family. This phrase is used quite often in both casual and formal English conversations. Understanding its meaning and usage can help you navigate social interactions more smoothly. Let's explore what it means to be a friend of the family and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. The phrase, friend of the family, refers to someone who is not a blood relative but has a close relationship with the family. This person is considered to be part of the family due to their close connection, trust, and the length of time they have known the family. A friend of the family might have been involved in various family events, celebrations, and possibly challenging times, sharing memories and experiences just like any family member would. Using friend of the family in conversations can be quite straightforward. Here are some examples. Introducing someone. This is John, he's a friend of the family. We've known him for years. Explaining a relationship. She isn't related to us by blood. She's a friend of the family. Referring to someone's status. As a friend of the family, you're always welcome in our home. In each case, the phrase helps clarify the person's relationship to the family, highlighting a special bond that goes beyond mere acquaintance. While the term is quite clear, its significance can vary depending on the context and culture. In some cultures, a friend of the family might be almost indistinguishable from an actual family member, involved in all aspects of family life. In other contexts, it might simply mean someone the family knows well and sees occasionally. Understanding the nuances of how this phrase is used can help you better interpret conversations and relationships in different cultural settings. We hope this explanation helps you understand what it means to be a friend of the family and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the relationships and connections they represent. Whether you're learning English or teaching it to others, recognizing these subtle meanings can greatly enrich your communication. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful insights in our next video. Happy learning!